Tony. Tony! Tony!
Chris! Chris, I need you in a photo!
Now I want to see you moving doing that.
You sit on my bike. Yeah, it's better. It's good for the Russian mafia. I can see you stolen my bike. Very good.
Para la mafia argentina.
Okay, sorry.
You're right.
Okay, next one. Just gonna get no handlebar, no mirror. There we go. One more.
Hey, here's the music playing. Oh, sorry.
Oh, look, yeah.
Here's music.
Oh, it's a great lens when you're
You're right, you're
Too many cameras.
Somebody's taking a photo of the guys with the cameras. Oh shit, he's doing a video for YouTube again.
Take no prisoners.
Brian?
Yep.
You're wanted.
You want to comb your hair?
Here.
You want to comb your hair?
What?
It's good to be wanted. That's better. Makeup will be here later.
It would be horrible.
What is that? First two years.
And the dog is totally bored.
Foto von Christmas an der Kamera dazwischen.
Your worst half is busy as well, no? May I take a photo of you? You have the bike free?
Not behind my bike. Then you can see the house.
Just do whatever you want. Just give me a smile. What about the smile? Good.
German beer.
German beer.
There we go.
Good, Chris.
Okay.
Chris.
Hang on, I'm going to get one here and then I'll come and take your camera. Hang on.
Is it okay that way?
Sun is not good. Yeah,
Para la mafia,
What about the match?
I like your sticker. Which one?
Yeah?
Venture sidecar.
Yes?
No, you must look in the flower.